If you're running a chiropractic clinic and wondering why your online presence isn't just bringing in new patients, even though you're on Facebook, Instagram, or maybe even worse, running ads, it might be because your brand looks inconsistent, or maybe even worse, unprofessional. So let's fix it. When people don't trust what they see online, they don't book. And in this video, I'm going to break down why that happens and how you can fix it fast by building a consistent, trustworthy brand on every platform. So before that, why should you listen to me? Hi, I'm Mahir Hasan, owner of Escorts Media, a specialist agency that works with chiropractors. And over the 3 years, have helped numerous clinics skyrocket their revenue, increase their patient count, just get good quality patients that actually show up and understand chiropractic care. I've helped clinics like NMC Health, Fergus Osteopathy, Active Chiro Center, more and more. So let's start with the video. So here's the deal. Branding equal to familiarity. Familiarity equal to trust. Trust equal to bookings. Most people won't book an appointment the first time they see you. But if they keep seeing your face, your logo, your message over and over again, they'll start to think that they know you. And when people feel like they know you, they trust you and they book. But if your Instagram looks different from your website, your Facebook posts are random, and your Google profile has no photos, that inconsistency makes people hesitate, which creates doubt. And doubt is deadly to conversions in healthcare. So let me break down what online presence means for a chiropractor. So I'm going to name some, and these are the channels that your potential patients will go through, whether you like it or not. First, your website. It's obvious. Then your Facebook. Then your Instagram, Reels, posts, stories. Then your Google business profile, and even your email marketing, how you do the marketing, and even your SMS follow ups. You have to create a consistent branding across every one of these things. If any of these feels outdated, off brand, or empty, you're losing trust. Okay, now the real talk. How to make your brand consistent. So let's start with same logos, same colors, same vibe every day. So your profile picture on Instagram should match on your Facebook, and your website colors should be the same as your ad colors. Your font, your tone, your language, it should all mean one brand, not five. Number two, your ads should match your clinic. If your ad shows a clinic with modern design, with modern facilities and everything, and your website looks 10 years old, trust is lost. So make sure your landing page, your socials, and your ads all look and feel the same. Number three, have clear, consistent description of your service. Don't just assume that people will get it. Explain what you offer gently, simply, every day. Same services, same words, same clarity. Number four, use patient wins every day. One testimonial isn't enough. You can use it in multiple ways on multiple platforms. Turn it into a written review on your website, then turn it into a code graphic on Instagram, and a video, and a case study post on Facebook. Number five, retarget with the same message on every platform. And that's where we come in. At Scott's Media, me and my team, we retarget people across every platform, whether they are on Facebook, whether they are Instagram, whether they are on any website, wherever they will go, they'll just see you. They'll just be reminded of you. And that's retargeting. Retarget them everywhere. And that's what we do to make you unforgettable, to get those quality patients coming in, to get those leads and turn it into patients. As I said, we work with Dr. Shannon Pierce from NNC Health. Her brand was all over the place. Outdated website, random posts, no retargeting. We cleaned up everything. We gave her a unified look across every platform. We started running these behavioral ads for her with consistent branding. Within just 2 weeks, she saw a 40% increase in patient acquisition. And that's to keep in mind that these were real patients, not just crappy leads. Because we call and we verify that these leads are going to show up. So these were real patients. And that was not magic. That was the power of brand consistency and smart retargeting. So if you feel like your brand looks inconsistent online and you're not sure what to do, or if you feel like your marketing's a mess, I've got you. There will be a link in the bio. Book a free consultation with me and let's get you there. And don't forget to subscribe for more real, no fluff marketing tips for chiropractors. This channel is all about helping me turning attention into real appointments. So take care. See you next time.